Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most wanted tool for digital marketers, bloggers and content makers, that is Google Keyword Planner. So first you need to go to Google Ads, and this is the Google Ads website, and you have to click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, just enter any of your means just log in using your email address. So after, you can see four options, okay, but don't select any of them, it is already selected, don't do anything there. Just go down, you can see here switch to expert mode. I'll go down, see here switch to expert mode, click on that. And here you can see create an account without any campaign, click that. So you have to click on create a campaign without any campaign. Just go for submit, just click on that button, and here your account is set up. Congrats, you are done. So here comes the Google Ads all campaigns dashboard. Click on the tools, and here you can see keyword planner, click on that. Normally you have to actually add some money to the account to access this, but with this method you can access for free. So you can see Google Keyword Planner, and you can open and try anything here, and I'm going to try here content marketing. And you can change all the countries also. I'm going to write USA, and I would like to target USA, and I will remove India from here. And you can see here 300 million searches from United States, and all you need to do is click on get results. Now you can see here all the competition, okay. Here monthly searches, you can see 10,200 searches, and it is still low, means you have a good chance to use these keywords. See all the low competition keywords you can use in the blogs, websites, and rank faster on Google. But you get a idea of keywords also. You don't need to need a semrush or ubbersuggest to generate keywords, which is obviously paid one. Here you can do it for free. And here I'm now searching for affiliate marketing, and you can see these are the some of the searches for free affiliate, I think, courses. I'll expand it, wait, let's see this. Okay, top paying affiliate programs. Okay, so these are the some of the keywords related to affiliate marketing, which is ranking, which will help you rank faster if you use these keywords in your content. And these are the like what you say, suggestions, keyword suggestions. Here are all the competition markings also, low, medium, high. Avoid the high and medium ones when you are seeing the low ones, because low one has lot of opportunities if it has good monthly search volume. When it is, see here, these are the low, search competition is low, and there is a significant increase like 900%. That's a good sign, and you can drive a lot of traffic using this tool by creating good content and rank faster on Google. So guys, that's all for today. So if you think this video has helped you, please like, share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you, have a nice day.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.